Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make liquid vim at home using some simple ingredient. First you will need 50 gram of caustic soda, 20 gram of GS powder and 20 gram of GSP powder, 500 gram of acid celery and 100 grams of orange peel powder. Now let's begin. Take a large bowl and add to caustic soda, GS powder, GSP powder to it. Mix them well using a spoon. Next, add acid celery to the bowl and mix it again. Make sure to wear gloves while doing this step, as acid celery can be harmful to your skin. And once everything is mixed well, and orange peel powder to the bowl and mix it again, you will notice that the mixture will start to thickness and turn into a gel like consistency. And now pour some water into the bowl and mix it well until the mixture become liquid. Keep adding water until you get the desired consistency, and there you have it, your very own homemade liquid vim that works just as well as the store bought one. Remember to always wear gloves while handling these ingredients and keep them away from children's. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for turning into my video liquid vim, and I hope you have found them helpful and informative. Liquid vim is truly a game changer when it comes to cleaning. Its powerful formula cuts through even the longest grease and grime, leaving your surface sparkling clean, and the best part, it's incredible versatile, so you can use it on everything from your kitchen counter to your bathroom tiles. I have been using liquid vim for a while now, and I have to say I am really impressed with its performance. It's so easy to use. Just spray it on, let it sit for a few seconds and wipe away, and the results are truly amazing. One thing I love about liquid vim is that it's safe to use around my family and pets. It's made with natural ingredient and doesn't contain any harsh chemicals, so I can feel good about using it in my home. Overall, I would highly recommend it, liquid vim, to everyone looking for a powerful and versatile cleaning solution. It's truly a game changer, and I am so glad that I discovered it. Thank you again for watching my video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take